Hey you guys, so today we're going to be working with Ywigs hair. They sent me over 3 bundles of 22-inch micro link hair. It is in the kinky curly texture, which is so beautiful. It resembles our hair texture so much. And they're already linked up and easy for you to install, which I love because it kills the time. So my client that I'm using today is Miss Beautiful Turquesa, who hair closely resembles the hair that they sent me. So she decided to be my model today, and this is also her first time getting micro links, so that's exciting. So I've already shampooed and conditioned her hair, and now I'm just combing it out. I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out and then add in the micro links. So that's what you'll see. I won't be talking much. I'm just gonna kind of let you guys sit back and watch me install this set of micro links from Ywigs hair. y'all see how this hair blends so good with her hair texture? The hair did really good, especially when I wetted. It gave me this pretty curl pattern. Like I said, her hair adapted to this so flawlessly. So she wanted to do her final look with a half up, half down look, which is what you can do also with curly hair, because the curling quality texture kind of hides the link in a sense, versus if it was just straight, I would have to leave out in between her hair so that she would be able to wear it up and down. So that's the benefits of curly hair. So far I like this hair, you guys. I will leave details down in the description box if you would like to purchase this hair and try it on yourself or on a client and see how you like it. So yeah, details will be down in the description box. Let me know what you guys think of this video, of this hairstyle. Would you rock it or not? And shout out to my best friend for making me these shirts. So as I upload videos, y'all gonna see me with different shirts that has different quotes on it. And the one I have on my shirt today is, "These ain't no hip-hop records, these country rap tunes." If you know who it is, who said that, drop it down in the comment box below. She will be having shirts for purchase, so if you like these shirts with little quotes and little sayings, she will be making them. And hopefully when she gets her link up, I'll just come back to these videos and add all her links so that you'll be able to order little shirts with catchy little slogans and phrases on them that have been really notorious, like notorious lines. So yeah, y'all let me know what you think again down in the comment box below. I will have the details for this hair in the description. If you feel it in your heart to share this video, please do so. But I really would like to ask you guys to just like this video, because it helps get my algorithm going. It helps push my video, and it helps me continue to provide for my son and I and our place of living, because we gotta live in this crazy world, y'all. So just one like will help me out a lot. It don't cost nothing, just 1 second to hit that like button. So I'm just gonna let y'all finish watching me style her hair, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.